So, as you guys can see, I probably have to talk a little bit louder so you guys can see. So, we put down the paper and everything here, and this area is pretty much done as far as the things that I want to get up. Putting the paper down and weeding. I put a cutting of a rose back there, and right now I'm hoping that it'll survive. I think it had quite a bit of shot because it was a cutting from like an old root, so it's a volunteer. I probably had to get close because the sound is horrible. So as you can see, I don't know if it's gonna make it, but we're gonna hope. The one on the right is okay, but of course something's eating on it, but we're gonna see how it does because this little green one on the right hand side is the one that it was the original volunteer. So hopefully that will come back. But right now everything is as it should be, and then once roses get on the ground, of course we'll do that. And then for right now, next video is going to be really a bunch of before and after, so you can see the progression of this yard and how much has changed since we started this 20 years ago. This garden, of course, like you know, is a work in progress because it's brand new. So everything in here is just new plantings or plants that I had before that have been moved. So everything is basically in its first year. So that's it for this time. But next time, you know, you get some before and afters and see what happens when you go from nothing to something to a whole massive garden complex, and then down to nothing again. So right now we're at just the beginnings again, 20 years later, of redoing the garden. So I hope you guys have a great day, and it's hot as hell. Have a good one.